So the people are waiting the divine moments, the important moments. So this is the D-Day. This is the important day of the marriage of her sweetest daughter, Divya Trisal, getting married with Vidyut Langar. God bless them with a very happy and married life. You know that. So great going. Bag is also there, and then these are all the people are there. Great going. Turkey is there.